GoPro, start recording. All you do now, this is a little lug for the gear selector that goes in as so. This one's a bit damaged, but it's okay, it'll do the job. Put it on there.
And once again, hand started.
Where's that screwdriver? Can't put my hands in there, the wasps.
I got rid of the nest.
Yeah, the wasp is still there.
Belly.
That one, just these be alright. So you just put that there,
And
you screw them together.
let me come in close.
See them? You screw them together. That's what changes your from reverse to forward.
Put your hand. As you can see, that's the assembly there with the brass nut going down onto the body.
Yeah, I gotta push that in now. You never paint on these, makes it hard to put them together. GoPro, stop recording.